Hello and welcome. Today we're taking a close look at JKK Munirajah College of Technology, which is located in TNEA Erode. The first thing you'll need if you're considering this college is its TNEA Code 2758. Now, when you're sizing up any college, a few key things really tell the story of its quality. So let's start with the most important one for JKKMCT, its national accreditation. Right off the bat, the college holds an A grade from the National Assessment and Accreditation Council, NAAC. This is a really solid sign of good institutional quality right across the board. And to get a bit more specific, that A grade is supported by a cumulative grade point average of 3.09. Now, that's not just some random number. It's the result of a deep evaluation of everything from their teaching quality and research to the campus infrastructure itself. Another huge credential is its status as an autonomous institution. And this is a big deal. Why? Because it means the college has the freedom to update its own syllabus and conduct its own exams. For you as a student, that often translates to a more modern, industry-relevant curriculum. Okay, so with those key highlights in mind, let's really dig into what JKK Munirajah College has to offer. We'll quickly recap our first impressions, then jump into the engineering programs, placements, campus life, and a whole lot more. Let's get right to it. So, to quickly sum it up, the college stands on a strong foundation, built on that NAAC A-grade and its autonomous status. Now, let's see what you can actually study here. All right, let's get to the main event, the actual engineering programs that are available for students who are applying through the TNEA counseling process. So the college offers a good range of 9 undergraduate programs. You have your core branches like computer science and mechanical, of course. But what's really interesting are the newer, high-demand specializations. As you can see, they've recently added programs in artificial intelligence and data science, and also cybersecurity. That shows they're definitely keeping things up to date with what the industry is looking for. Now, for what is arguably the most important question for any student and their parents, what happens after the 4 years are over? What's the return on your investment in terms of a career? So, what do the placement numbers actually look like? Let's take a look at the official data that the college themselves have submitted. According to their official submission for the TNEA admissions process, the college reports a placement rate of 92% for its students. Okay, let's peel back another layer and look at the official approvals and the foundational details. This is the stuff that builds trust and tells you about the college's credibility. First things first, the college is approved by the All India Council for Technical Education, or AICTE. And as you can see, this approval is active for the 2025-26 academic year. This is a fundamental requirement, a basic checkmark for any technical institution in India. Now you might be wondering, even though it's an autonomous college, it is still affiliated with Anna University, Chennai. And this is an important point, because it means your final degree will be awarded by Anna University. That carries the weight and recognition of the state's most well-known technical university. Here's a quick snapshot of the college's core identity. It was established back in 2008, and it's managed by the Anna J.K.K. Sampurani Amal Charitable Trust. For admissions, the college follows the state norms, which means 65% of the seats are filled through the TNEA government quota, and the other 35% are for the management quota. And here's that number again, just as a quick reminder. The TNEA code for this college is 2758. You'll need this exact code during the online counseling to select this college. Academics are crucial, no doubt, but the campus is where you're going to live and grow for 4 years. So let's see what the on-ground environment and facilities are like at JKKMC. For students who need a place to stay, the college provides separate, on-campus hostels for both boys and girls. And for many, the food is a key detail. So you should know that the mess facilities here serve both vegetarian and non-vegetarian meals. And what about getting to and from the campus? Well, the college has its own fleet of buses for day scholars. If you're traveling from further away by train, the nearest major railway station is Erode Junction, which is roughly 50 kilometers away. The campus itself is pretty spacious. It's spread out over nearly 24 acres of land, so there's plenty of room for all the academic buildings, labs, and other student amenities. And finally, let's talk about 2 very important things: the financial support that's available through scholarships, and how the college helps connect its students with the industry. So if you're eligible, there are several scholarships you can apply for. These include the Government of Tamil Nadu scholarships for SC/ST, BC/MBC, and first graduate students. On top of that, there are 2 national-level scholarships from AICTE, the Pragati scheme for girl students, and the Seksham scheme for specially abled students. To make sure that what you learn in class is connected to the real world, the college has partnerships with different companies. For example, you can see here they have an active MOU with Q-Tree Technologies. These kinds of partnerships are what create valuable opportunities for students, like internships and projects. As we wrap this up, we just want to be clear that all the information presented in this explainer has been carefully sourced from the college's own official website and trusted government portals, and it's all accurate as of the time we put this together. Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.